Hi boys and girls, today I'm going to show you how to use the AR Phonics Practice. If your screen is too big and you can't see the whole page, you're going to go over and click the minimize button. And then you're going to click enter. Now you can choose any of these activities, but here's what I want you to practice with me first. We're going to go to sound it out and we'll click enter. So I see the word is a sharp pencil. What's the word? Yeah, it's sharp. So I'm going to touch my mouse and say sharp, sharp. And then I'm going to say it one time fast, sharp. Let's try the next one. Oh, see those balls of yarn? Yarn. Then use my mouse again, yarn. And say it fast, yarn. Let's try the next one. Ark. Now let's do it quicker. Shark, shark. So I'm going to use my mouse to help pace my reading. Now I'm going to skip on and show you another area. Anytime you want to change your activity, you can click on home. It takes you back to the beginning. So now I'm going to go to sound it out. I'll click enter. Oh, we did this one. I clicked on the wrong one. Let's go to picture it. I'll click enter. Tap the picture with the same vowel sound as yarn. Yarn. Barn. Feather. I think it's barn. I was right. Let's try another one. Yarn. Donut. Cart. Let's try donut. Oh, try again. Yarn. Donut. Cart. That is how the sounded out rhyme time works. Let's go to picture it. Oh, not that one. Let's go to wonderful words. Tap the word with the same vowel sound as sharp. Far, fan. Far sounds the same. Let's try another one. Tap the word with the same sound as sharp. Star set. I think it's star. I'm right. Okay, let's try one more. We did sound it out. We did picture it. We did rhyme time. Let's try sound it out again. Oh, nope. We did that one. Let's try super speller. Tap the word that spells sharp. 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 Barn. Barn. Oh, let's try the next one. Scarf or scurf. Scarf. And the next one. Car or care. Car. Now if you listen, you might have just heard George walking around and barking in the background. So that's what that noise is. Let's try one more. We tried sound it out. We tried picture it. We tried. Oh, we're all done.